G'day humanoid life forms, it's Chewy here, and how can you not go out riding on a day like today? We've got an ambient temperature of 24 degrees outside at just after 5 p.m. Absolutely glorious. Heading into the city to do some photography, meeting up with none other than Rob from Throttle Down Under, then picking up the wifey from the city and riding home. What a glorious, glorious day. Check out this Lotus. It's the guy that owns the mobile phone repair shop. He's an Indian guy, but his Lotus is so sick. Such a wicked car. I love Lotus. He's a really nice guy too. No. Let him go. That thing is beautiful. Hey brother, how you going? I'm one of your customers.
Yeah, no.
Your car is wicked, man. That is raw. Apparently we've got one more day of sunny weather and then we're back to rain for God knows how long. So I had to take every opportunity I could to get out on the bike today. How you going? Good. Alright, we're heading into Lane Cove Tunnel, and you know what that means. That's right. I mean, it's a motorbike, it's a tunnel. We haven't done one yet on the big 1400. Alright, it's time for a rev bomb. Are you ready? Here it goes. Oh man. Jeez, it gets up there quick. It's just got to be done. Oh, we're about to head over the iconic Sydney Harbour Bridge. So in Australia you're allowed to ride in a bus lane as long as it's not a bus only lane. So let's go under the big coat hanger. What an amazing feat of architecture this thing was. The bridge opened in the 1930s, I believe. If I'm wrong, I'll put the date when the bridge opened just up there, somewhere up top. Go over here now, heading onto the Cahill Expressway. It's actually a place I wouldn't mind doing some photography. Is on the walkway of the Cahill Expressway. Cahill Expressway. I don't even know how to say it properly. This city has its challenges, but sure is a pretty city. So on my left is Circular Quay, and you will see the Sydney Opera House now. And then further back to the left you've got the Sydney Harbour Bridge over there. So some photography just here on this platform would be fantastic. We're going to another iconic place. I'm meeting up with Rob at Harry's Cafe de Wheels in Woolloomooloo. Hunger Busters. Woolloomooloo. Check out the spelling of that word. I've got to do one more. God, this bike sounds good. Mrs. Harry's just up here on the left. Ooh, yeah. Alright.
Ask for advice about making videos for YouTube. My first question is, are you making it for yourself or are you making it for an audience? And if you're making it for yourself, you just press go on your GoPro, film everything so you can go back and you don't miss absolute detail, you don't miss anything at all. But if you're making it for an audience, an hour of riding footage is as boring as anything for someone who wasn't there with you. It's not something where people can actually sit and ride for a period of time, unless it's an epic road like maybe PCH in California or the Great Ocean Road or something like that.
Yeah.
So I think other than that, like what you were about to say before, is you just got to use snippets, and sometimes you can encourage people's imagination more by using a whole lot less. Like you literally only need to use 2 or 3 seconds of a clip and people know exactly where you are, what you're trying to achieve.
Brilliant advice. Brilliant, man. Brilliant. I agree 100%. See the big Coca-Cola sign, famous landmark of Sydney. We've got another tunnel. Come on, Rob, give us a rev bomb. Yes. There's the beautiful lighthouse, and here's some photos. So we're heading off to the next location. Let's go and have a look. Well, I don't think my GoPro worked at all then, did it? I had a black screen. Oh, maybe it did, I don't know. That's weird. What's going on with my GoPro? Alright, that's about it, humanoid life forms. You know the drill. Until next time, be good to each other. Chewie out. Peace. Thanks for coming out, Rob. You're an absolute legend.